And some water boiling for some oatmeal. Huh?
Why don't we just go where nobody needs us? Go to places we've never been. 'Cause I don't want the same old, the same place. Wanna see the world in your face.
So we got a nice little chilly river crossing coming our way right here. And we got some beautiful rock climbing. The dog is not about this life right now. He's like, excuse me, absolutely not. Excuse me.
Why are you making me do this?
Woo! Yeah, Annalise. Hey, I kind of want to go help. You're gonna go help? We've got someone to catch if he goes down the river.
It's not funny, it's just...
Oh. Come on, yes. That's a good boy.
I don't know how you made it past that first part, dude.
River crossing number 2. He really thought he was done with this, and then we threw in another one. You got it, bud. He's really not about it. He kind of just gives up and expects us to lug him across. Annalise is still facing fears, and she's doing it with a smile on her face. River crossing number 3. The dog made it across the 3rd river crossing. Yes!
I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, 'cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. 'Cause I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down.
Dr. Coolhead, a good cool 510C. 80 feet tall.
Well, I would have had more cool drone shots for you guys, but it's cold out here and the batteries don't like it. Also, this guy tortures his dog. So if you hear whimpering, that's why.
Good boy.
Map monter sur montagne là, like when I'm climbing up the mountain. Ouais, falaise à gauche à droite. I see cliffs on my left and right. Oh Seigneur, quand même qu'il faut. Oh Lord, hold me more strong. Septième chapitre, tombe en bas. Oh Seigneur, pardonne la vie. If my foot slips, I won't have life.
Oh no!
Like,
And insane. Are you really using your bag as a sleeping bag?
My feet are cold.
Are you cold?
rock.
Yes.
Dude, you should go on a hike. Seriously, I'm boiling right now. I don't like this.
It's fine. You just get on your belly and reverse whale. Be the whale you were born to be. Okay. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. You about 1 foot, 1 foot. You're good. 1 foot, 1 foot. Oh, you're there. Thank God for our new friends. We'd be so dead right now. And we're on our way home now. Gotta do all the river crossings again.
Now Jessa J makes her way adventurously across. And she has it!
Hey,
Hannah's
can you
cold.
help Jessa? Wait, let me put...
Yeah, I told her.
Annalise got it. Manu's cool too.
Can you just stretch your leg out?
Yeah.
What's up, Annalise? I'm not sure whether to focus on you or the dog, so I'm just gonna focus on it all.
Hey. Oh, it's fun. This
Great.
the wall's kind of dry.
No, not really. It was pretty wet.
That way.
Come on, bud. Come on.
There you go. Yes.
Look, there you go. And coming back river crossing number 2.
Doggy's been the most strategy invoking.
Oh. Come on, Comet, come on. Come on, come here. That's a good boy, come on. That's a good boy, come here. Look at you. You're graduating.
You're more like a horse than a dog any day. Oh, I'm gonna get out. Hurry up.
And last but not least, going back over river crossing number 1. Come on, buddy. Come on, babe. Come on. This way, come on. We are getting ready to make dinner. Hannah is organizing this monstrosity of a van.
I done? I help.
Luke, what are you doing over here, bud? Oh, he's panicking.
Organizing.
You better be organizing, Luke. He's swigging water over there.
Organizing at all.
So tonight, we're gonna be eating broccoli, salami, cheesy tortellini, and carrots. And I cut up peppers, but I think they're in the fridge. Ooh, I think I found them. There they are. And I already cut them up, my dude. Yes. Can you cut up these? There's a cutting board in here. What's up?
I took that photo.
Hannah, can you grab the water?
Water?
I love her. I love her so much. Yo,
Hannah!
yo,
Can you open the salami?
What's wrong with
I don't know how to open it.
I help.
Help me.
She is a damsel in distress.
I need a big, strong woman to come and open my salami.
YOLO.
How much salami?
20-year-old.
One full thing. I can't stop with Hannah's name. There's a song that I like that goes, Hannah, Hannah, baby, let's get together.
Aha. That is gonna take forever to boil.
Really?
Maybe we are out. It doesn't feel out, but I guess it is. We're good now. I don't know what it was, to be honest, because I guess I screwed this a little tighter, but honestly, I don't have any reason why that wouldn't have worked. Weird. Anyway. Are you excited? Yeah! I'm really stoked for this.
This is our food. And honestly, I've never been more stoked in my life.
These bowls.
Oh, I'm so excited I can barely look at it. We're finishing it off with each having an egg on the top of our pasta for some extra nutrients. How do you feel about it, Luke? That's how he feels. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. All right, everyone. Out of 10, what's everyone's scores? Hannah?
10.
Annalise?
9.5.
Luke?
9.812.
Well, there's a first time for everything, but we got that dreaded knock on the door saying, hey, you're not allowed to sleep here. We were just in a random parking lot tonight. So now Hannah is driving and we're gonna be moving somewhere else, which shouldn't be a big deal. We kind of knew where we were parking was a little iffy and we were really, really tired, so we just decided to stay there. But thankfully the officer was really nice. He said he wasn't gonna write us a ticket and he told us we can just move. Oh my goodness, I'm so sleepy. I'll see you guys in the morning. The forecast is fog all day long. No, why? It did say that it was going to be sunny yesterday, but now it says it's going to be foggy all day. You'll notice that you cannot see a thing. There is nothing to be seen. That's how I feel when I look at you. There's nothing to be seen. Yeah, it is kind of disgusting. Let's see if this window's any better. Nope, no better. We're thinking about just heading back to Missouri because of the corona. Oh my god, there's so many bugs in our car. I'm letting them go. I opened the door. They leave now. I was trying to watch YouTube on my phone last night and I kept blowing the bugs off my screen because they were coming to the light. More of the bugs. You can see them and you can see the mist. What are you doing? I don't want to go outside. It's cold and misty and ugly. So I'm doing this instead. Yeah, that looks way easier. I can do it. Jessa's not flexible enough to crawl into the front seat, which is why I had to be the one to crawl the front seat last night and talk to the cop, even though I'm half deaf and didn't know a word he was saying. This is not working out well for me. Oh, I didn't get video of the cop though. That's enough moving for today. I know. Right after he left, I went, no. Because I wasn't awake enough to like think about that. Jessa's not very good at waking up after she's fallen asleep and functioning. Like even when we were younger and our gerbils got out in the middle of the night and our parents would wake us up and be like, you need to go find the gerbils. My younger sister Bethany and I would go running around the house looking for the gerbils and Jessa would just be in a corner just like this. Ooh. I couldn't. You guys would look all over and I was just like, well, they live here with us now. Hey look, they're ready. Oh, yay, let's go. Come on. Yeah, we were just gonna follow you. You wanna get that towel on the top or are you just gonna leave that there? You have a towel on the top of your car.
Oh, that's where you put your socks. We thought his socks blew away.
I saw his socks on the ground over there.
Oh, they did blow away.